Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna work on my Infraction. We're gonna get it ready to go and do some speed runs. Last time I took the car out for some speed runs, it went airborne twice. Since then, I took out the stock battery tray and modified a carbon battery tray to what I need. And I also added perfect pass, see if that makes a difference. And I'm going to take out the Flopack spool, and I'm going to put back the Limitless Spool, and going to put the perfect pass drive shafts and test those out. So let's get started. Get this out. What I understand is the darker one is going to go towards the front differential. I don't want to disconnect all these cables, so let's put it on there. We know it fits. Okay, works. Also, I got all QSA connectors, so solder all new connectors to most of my ESCs and batteries. Awesome connector, anti-spark, so when you're connecting your batteries you don't get that jolt. Let's remove the screws that's down below and get that bracket out of the way. Out. Now we can actually test it again. There we go. Let's put the rear one. Okay. So let's remove it. Let's remove this rear one. We're gonna shave this down a bit and then install everything back up. Okay, so this is where we need to shave, right here. So let me get the Dremel and we'll shave this off. Let's move the car a little bit out of the way. Okay, let's try it out now. It doesn't rub anywhere. Let's see if we can get the camera to see that. I don't know if you guys can see the gap, but as long as it's not rubbing, we're good. And we're set. So now basically it's just put everything back together. So first things first, let's tighten up this one. We're good here. It doesn't rub anywhere. Once we took out the bracket, it's not rubbing on the rear bracket, so we're a-okay. Now we need to put back this the screws. And this car, guys, is pretty much ready to go out and do some speed runs with it. see if it doesn't go airborne anymore. Besides these little changes is I don't know if you can say for performance. What I did, I took off the front splitter and I lowered the body just a little bit more, try not to get any air underneath the body, and I cut most of the rear so the air can flow all the way out, because before I had it completely closed and I think it was just grabbing a lot of air. Basically I cut off all this rear section so the air can flow right through it. Made some holes here just to make sure that there's no wind getting caught up back there and getting the car to go airborne. I also gear it down just a bit so we can test everything out. We're not going to go for a world record, but definitely we want to do some high-speed runs and hopefully not go airborne. Okay. Okay guys, so this one ready to go. Oh, I also made it's not such a big deal, but I made a wing out of carbon fiber. I think this is either 3 or 4 mil, so very hard, very sturdy, and I think that those are all the changes that I made to it. Let me install the rear body post and then I'll show you the projects that I'm working on. Okay, so we're all done. Let me move this out of the way. Give me 1 second and I'll show you the other 2 projects that I'm working on. So this is one of the projects that I'm working on. I just painted this body, and this was a touring nitro that I converted to electric. I'm missing to put the electronics in it, but basically I'm using some Arrma parts, like Arrma body post, Arrma motor mount. I made a custom spool because there was no spools with the size that I needed, so I am missing to put battery, ESC, and of course put the motor, a receiver, and I'll probably do that on the next video and show you a little bit more on how I got here and then finish up the car. And this is here's the body I painted. Maybe you want to leave on the comments below what nitro car you think that this is. It's a 1/8 scale touring car. This is my other project. This is my TRX4. Just put brand new tires on it. Very nice, very sticky tires. Sporting stock electronics. So that's also one of our next projects, is to upgrade this TRX4, go brushless, and go crawler motor ESC. Guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the comments. I'll see you on the next video.